What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can create Outlier AI account. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google now. Here, I'm just going to search for Outlier AI. Now, searching for Outlier AI will bring you this website, which is outlier.ai. I'm just going to open it up. Once the Outlier AI website is opened up, this is what you will be able to see here. You just have to click on this login. Now, once you click on this login, you will be able to see this page pop up where they will want you to log into your account. And with the login, you'll be able to see an option for sign up as well. As you can see, Outlier is just loading up. Once it is loaded up, I will easily be able to create an account. As you can see, if you want to continue, you can continue with Google as well, or you can sign up. So I'm just going to continue with my Google account. There you go. Now, as you can see, I'm just continuing with my Google account. Once it is done, they will want me to put some extra information that I have to write here. And after that, your Outlier account will be ready to use. You'll be able to use it to, complete the task, train AI models, and earn money. That's pretty much it. That's all we will today. I hope you guys find this video helpful.